Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a fake WhatsApp chat, right? So a lot of you've come across some chat like this where you feel like this chat is real, but in real sense they are not real, right? Now this is for educational purposes. Maybe you want to prank your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or your family members, right? Now I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's go to our browser. So this is my browser and the name of the website is here. So it has just loaded up. Look at the name of the website here. So all you need to do is you click on more option. I hope you can see that. So I'll tap on more option. Then I'll now decide to change the phone time. So let me change the phone time to 8:30. Then choose icon. If I wish I can change. Okay, let me change the network to 5G. So I'll change it to 5G. Now battery percentage. Okay, let me just drag it to 85%, right? So should I choose Wi-Fi? Okay, let me just choose Wi-Fi. So connected to Wi-Fi, right? Now date, that is the date of the message I'm dropping. So let me just use 11th 2025, right? Then the hour, let me use auto. Let me just choose auto, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is profile picture. Maybe if I want to enter any profile picture or stuff like that, I can just click here to select any profile picture. Then this is the body of the message. So I will now say, hello, I want to invest $5,000 right now. I hope you can see that. So I just typed the message which I want, right? So I'll now click on add message, right? Add message. So I'll now click on add message. So can you see it here? This is, hello, I want to invest $5,000 right now. Look at the date. You can change this date to any of your preferred dates. You can change the name here to any of your preferred name, the profile picture. So I don't want this video to be long, and I hope you can see my battery percentage. This is the Wi-Fi that I connected and everything is intact. So once you are done with it, you can now click on download image, right? I hope you can see that. You can easily click on download image and you'll be able to download this, and you can use it to prank someone and show someone that actually someone messaged you so time, just to make it look real, right? So see you guys on the next one. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Let's go.